Destiny 2 is a free-to-play online-only multiplayer first-person shooter video game developed by Bungie. It was originally released as a pay-to-play game in 2017 for the PlayStation 4, Xbox One, and Microsoft Windows platforms. It became free-to-play, utilizing the games as a service model, under the new light title on October 1, 2019, followed by the game's release on Stadia the following month, and then the PlayStation 5 and Xbox Series XS platforms in November 2020. The game was published by Activision until December 31, 2018, when Bungie acquired the publishing rights to the franchise. It is the sequel to 2014's Destiny and its subsequent expansions. Set in a mythic science fiction world, the game features a multiplayer shared world environment with elements of role-playing games. Like the original, activities in Destiny 2 are divided among player versus environment and player versus player game types. In addition to normal story missions, PvE features 3-player strikes and dungeons and 6-player raids. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.